Hello my dear friends, this video I am going to show you Samsung phone lagging after update. Don't worry, you can follow this guide easily, fix it. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, go to settings. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom, tap on software update. Then click on check for update and check it. If any update available your phone, simply follow the on-screen instruction to complete the updated process. After the update is done, go back, then open apps option. You can see all of the apps listed there. Simply find the heavy apps, open it, then scroll through the page, go to storage. At the very bottom you can see two buttons. Tap on the clear cache option to clear it. After that, go back to the main settings page, then open device care. Click on storage. Here you can see various multiple options appear there. Located the duplicate file, large file, or any other such as unused apps. For example, open the unused apps, and if you find any unused apps, if you want to delete it, simply select it, tap on the uninstall button and confirm it, and automatically uninstall them. You can also open trash folder, then clear it your phone. After your trash folder is clear, you can check your phone is work or not. If your lagging is still, don't worry. The last method, you can factory reset your phone, but make sure to your all of important data you can back it up fast. So go back to the main settings, open account and backup page, click on backup data option and backup the all of the important data. After it done, go back to the main settings, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on general management. Here scroll down again, go to reset. After that, go to very bottom, tap on factory data reset and wait to open the page. Scroll all the way to the very bottom. This time you can find reset button, click on it, then verify to enter your phone screen password. Finally tap on delete all button, but make sure if you tap on delete all, your all of saved photos, videos, document, everything erase it, and after back on your phone like brand new condition. That's it how you can easily fix it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, possible to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friend. Take care everyone.